am Ritika Sen and you're watching me on Filming Mantra. The South Indian industry, and I think at that point language was a little problem, but then
बट क्या बोल रहे हो वो समझ में आया
नहीं वो समझ में नहीं आया. For me and working in a film with amazing director and incredible star cast, Nakul, Jairam sir, Vijay Shekhar. Again, I have to hold myself really strong not to give any spoilers.
because Bollywood is something, it's a lot of politics, casting couch. How would you take up that?
Well, having a lot of artist friends, I think I love this more. I love camera and okay, Akshay Kumar.
Wow.
Yeah, he's one of my favorites, but I have so many.
ये इंटरव्यू अक्षय कुमार तक पहुंचाया जाए. Hi, this is your host Aruna Purve and you're watching me on Filming Mantra. Today here we have Ritika Sen जिनकी फिल्म अभी रिलीज हुई है और फिल्म के बारे में हम उन्हीं से ही जान लेते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली उनका कैसा रहा ये पूरा एक्सपीरियंस. Hi Ritika, welcome to Filming Mantra.
Hi, hello.
Congratulations for your new film release. क्या
Thank
कहना
you.
चाहेंगे? How was your experience overall?
It was amazing. I think working in, it's a dream come true project for me, and working in a film with amazing director and incredible star cast, Nakul, Jairam sir, Vijay Shekhar. So I think, and the storyline, which attracted me the most. I think it's not just a love story, it's more than that. It has a lot of, twists and thrill, mystery, emotions, emotional drama, a lot more than I can think of and say and make it in words, So to understand the depth of the movie, people have to watch the film, and I think I am so happy as an actor to be a part of this film.
So before knowing you, I was just going through your Instagram and I saw the name of the film which you recently did with Vijay Sethu. Pronunciation में वो मुझे खुद को नहीं आ रहा. I really want you to pronounce it properly.
Okay. It's a South Indian name, I think Tamil name. So the name is Kadal Kadai Sollava. You can say it.
Kadal.
Kadal Kadai Sollava.
Kadal Sollava. Okay.
Kadal Kadai Sollava.
What does that mean?
Okay, इसका मतलब है क्या मैं आपको love story सुना सकती हूँ?
Oh.
Can I tell you a love story? So that's the meaning, and it's a sweet name, and I know the pronunciation is hard. It's a sweet name, and it's a sweet story. In fact, the whole, especially my character, I think I'm so happy with it because it shows the journey of a bubbly, charming girl getting strengthened with time, facing problems, and how she gets stronger. That's really, I think I have always, I was always looking for playing characters like that, which will, inspire other women. The women audience who are watching my character, who are watching the film. So I'm very happy to be a part of this film and especially play this character.
Character की बात कर रही है तो how did you got connected to the character? What you did to play that particular character?
Well, there was one thing जहाँ पे मैं connect कर सकती थी. This girl is like, she's not a musician. She lives for music. Like, she breathes music, and she's a guitarist, and everything in her life is all about music. And we had very short segments to portray that, and where I could connect as Ritika. I think I could connect at that part where I'm not in love with acting and the work that I do and that level of craziness. So वो मुझे दिखाना था. एक दो shots थे उधर, and we had to portray it in some little bit of timing we had, and I really had to work on I remember talking with a couple of my musician friends how they are madly in love with the instruments, and they get so connected. They start talking with their instruments after a point of time, just like we
Like how actors talk to their cameras.
and also we rehearse in front of the mirror
yeah,
about
correct.
the script and everything, expressions and everything. So वो मुझे करना था कि I practiced the finger and the guitar, holding the guitar and the style of holding a guitar and getting along with the gesture of playing it, being in love with that music and melody. She lives in melody. So that was the character, and then a guy, falls for her, and the story just starts from there. And this is where we start. A bubbly, charming girl, young girl. She's madly in love with music, and but then initially, gradually, she also falls in love with a guy, and later on. There are lots of. I will not go to the spoiler part. Again, I have to hold myself really strong not to give any spoilers. And she faces a lot of difficulties as life happens, and she falls, she gets up, and that strength she grows. There's so many shades of this character, from bubbly girl to getting strong enough to face life. And that change, I think it also I also grew in that character some way. And it's great to play this character and explore myself as an actor through this character. It was amazing.
So through this movie, we can see that the love for music is insane for you
Yeah.
as a character. But in real life, how much do you love music?
I love listening to music, and I love singing at home. Well, I'm not a singer, but I love singing, and also sometimes even while I was getting myself prepared for this character, I bought a guitar also for myself, and I was trying to get the gesture. And that time also I felt like कभी time मिले तो मैं भी सीखूंगी. Yeah, I have that, and maybe in future, if I get the opportunity and the time, I'll try to play the guitar. I have that inside me that I want to play.
So after doing this character, now you are more excited to.
Yeah, and I have always been into music. My mom, she used to sing classicals so well, and my dad also, he was also into music and everything when he was really young. And I have not seen my dad singing, but I've heard from his mutual friends. So I think I have that in my genes, maybe, I don't know. But I love music.
You love music.
Yeah, I
So
love
आपने as a career singing क्यों choose नहीं किया and why acting?
I think I love this more. I love camera, and I think everything in my life is all about acting. And even if you wake me up at 3 a.m. and ask me to discuss about a character and get into it and improvise my scenes, I'll be so excited. Even when I'm like half asleep, I can do that like all day. I think that's why I chose, and I didn't choose acting because when I started, I was very young, too young to understand what to choose and what to not to choose. I think the excitement of me watching the lights, camera, shooting as a kid, I think that is like real love. You don't think about anything. You just know that you're attracted and you love doing this. So when I was young, I saw shooting, and the first thing was I knew I wanted to do this. I was so sure.
Yeah.
I went home, I told my mom that, and I just want to be a part of shooting somehow. I want to stand in front of the camera. So me being a middle class family girl, I think that was so odd and weird for my mom and dad to realize. But yeah, gradually they supported me, and I started as a child actor, in Bengal. I started doing, I don't remember clearly because it was long time back and I was too young to remember. Then I started with my mom's and dad's support, parents' support, family support. I got their support, and slowly I started doing characters and got into the track.
So what was your parents' reaction when they saw your first project?
Okay, I think a person who was so excited after watching me was my grandma and my granddad. My granddad is no more right now, but I think he was so excited, and that is still inside me, that that those blessings and the love, and my grandma is still with me, and she still supports me. Obviously my parents supported me forever, like till now, and they were the base, the roots of how I started.
So from Bollywood project to South project, how was your journey overall?
It was a long journey, challenging, and well, it was exciting too at the same time, because this is amazing, how I realized the fact that nowadays the opportunities are endless, and the generation of cinema has changed so much, and I think it's the best generation for actors and actresses like us. I learned so much, and well, challenges were there, mainly the language.
Yeah,
And
I was
of
just
course,
about to come there only.
of course, because it's interconnected. The questions. Of course, the language. Especially. See, on set it was very easy, because I had everyone helping me around. They helped me like I'm a kiddo. The expressions, everything was sorted on point. But what after? What after that? You need to have water. You need to have food. You need to survive while shooting. At least you need to communicate, connect with people in order to step out of your comfort zone and explore yourself and explore other industries. And I was so excited and interested to explore the South Indian industry. And I think at that point, language was a little problem, but then slowly I understood that culture, and how you understand the emotion and get connected through the emotion. So language was, initially it was a problem, but later on it got smooth with time.
But क्या बोल रहे हो वो समझ में आया?
नहीं, वो समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन अभी तक मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Actually मुझे लगता है I should have given more time to the language. So yeah, I do agree. और मैं ये भी एग्री करती हूँ कि अभी तक I cannot speak Tamil fluently yet, but maybe in future. I think it's magical how you work in multiple industries and learn so much about different culture, different kind of people. You connect with them. You learn the power of networking. It's amazing, the power of networking, and you grow inside. How you connect with people, how you can talk to people, approach new people, and learn more about different people. And that also grows you inside as an actor. You know how to play different expressions. जैसे मैं जब साउथ में पहले गई थी, I was very confused about their culture, and how am I going to portray the expressions tomorrow morning like an absolute South Indian girl. I have to look like that. I have to be South Indian. Absolutely. Nobody has to understand that I'm not South Indian. So उन लोगों का जो expressions है, they are very expressive, they are very helpful, kind, and generous. I think I felt that way.
A South Indian girl still doing a South film is really very difficult, because भले ही language नहीं आता है, dubbing होता है, but expression देना होता है, and that lip sync.
Yeah.
So how did you manage doing that?
I think I worked on it. Again, I'm coming to the point of connecting with more South Indian people. I connected with more of South Indian people. I had a conversation, more conversation. I came to know about if a person is happy, how he can react, and how their culture is, how religious they are, their rituals they do, and the things they believe in, the gods they believe in, the people they help, and how they show their generosity, kindness, all the things. Step by step I learned, and slowly I got there. And it was like, obviously at first there was a point when I thought कि language नहीं आता है तो नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे. And I'm like out of my city, and it's like a new journey for me. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा था at a point कि पता नहीं होगा या नहीं. But what I could do is I could give my 100%, try my best.
A Bollywood project whom you would love to get paired with?
Okay. Well, I think like, okay, Akshay Kumar.
Wow.
Yeah, he's one of my favorites, but I have so many.
ये इंटरव्यू अक्षय कुमार तक पहुंचाएगा.
I'd love to work with him. Yeah, I think he's an amazing actor, and I have watched so many of his films. So yeah.
But coming from Bengali background and doing a South Indian film, food cuisines को लेकर अगर बात किया जाए तो कितना different था, and how much did you enjoy eating South Indian food?
So South Indian foods are, I think homemade foods are amazing. I love having dosa. Dosa is my favorite from South India, and I have always been a fan of homemade foods like rice, dal, chawal, the boiled foods, or अगर fish curry हो घर का, because I am basically from Bengal. So yeah, it reminds me of mom made homemade food, full of love, fish curry and the homemade food. I've always loved homemade food, and even in South India, I love the homemade food. So whenever I'm going there, I'm asking someone from my South Indian team to at least I try the homemade food. I make sure I try it once. Yeah.
But set पे क्या मिलता था खाने के लिए?
I think I always prefer having the rice and the dosa sometimes with the sambar and everything. So I used to have the healthy food, especially with the vegetables. They have the South Indian dishes, homemade, the authentic South Indian, dishes.
Sure.
I used to have that, and sometimes I used to have fish because, after all, I used to miss fish curry a lot. So कभी-कभी मैं fish भी खाती थी, and कभी-कभी डोसा भी खाती थी, and also the sambar, rice, and the authentic, vegetable dish. ये सब मैं खाती थी. But at the end of the day, I think dosa is my all-time favorite. Yeah, I can have it anytime. If it's a good one, I can have more than one.
Oh my
God. I'm a foodie.
Same here. Even I love eating rice, of course.
Yeah, rice is like, I think बहुत लोग rice नहीं खाते हैं. मेरे
Diet.
जो दोस्त है for the diet, but I think rice helped me a lot to work on my cravings also.
But it
As
is
long
good
as-
because it gets easily digested.
Yeah. As long as you're having rice in proper quantity, not more,
More,
not
yeah,
less, just
correct.
proper quantity. Like I have 100 grams of rice in one meal.
That's like that.
Yeah, I don't measure it, but I know this is like around 100 grams of rice, and I think that works like an elixir in my body. Yeah, rice is amazing food for me and my body, and I think it depends on body to body and how it suits
Correct.
your body. But rice works wonders on me. Yeah, so I never skip rice. I always
Best.
prefer having it.
Best. But Ritika, how was working with Vijay?
I think it's amazing working with such legendary senior actors. Vijay Sethupathi sir. I remember this feeling when I got the call first time, and I just heard that I was selected for a film where I'll be a part of this film with Vijay Sethupathi sir, Jairam sir is there, Nakul is there, and so many senior artists are there, and I was very nervous. It was like surreal. I was trying to believe if this phone call is true. Yeah, it's real or not. Is it a true or false? Like I was just I stopped for a moment and I was just trying to realize, should I pinch myself? But I was very nervous also because of the language, and I was, when you have legendary senior actors like, Vijay Sethupathi sir in your film, you need to uplift your acting skills, and you need to work on them, and putting it off all together, like the language and the expressions and the character all put together, I was quite really nervous. I thought कि पता नहीं कैसे होगा.
Of course.
I remember first day I was about to cry. I thought मुझसे नहीं होगा, but then my hands were sweaty, and whenever I am a little bit nervous and my hands are sweaty, I keep doing this.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was doing this. I was rubbing my hand, and it was all sweaty and sticky on my hand. I was doing this, and the director, our director, Sunil sir, he came up to me. He told me, Ritika, I know you're nervous. You have to understand one thing, that's what he told me, and I still remember the point properly. And that's what helped me so much to complete this film and play this character confidently. So he told me that you know films have one universal language, and that comes from heart. That is emotions. That is expressions. And no matter which language you speak, your emotions will speak louder. Your silence and your expressions should speak louder. That's how actors speak. And that hit me. Especially, I remember I was so much nervous. There was a specific scene where I was communicating with Vijay Shetupati sir and everyone else were in the scene. And the scene was very important because it's the turning point of our story. If you talk about the story, it's the turning point of the story, and that the dialogues, it means so much to the story. It's so important, and I was so nervous. But then I think again comes to our director is so chill, so cool, and every time I did something wrong, I just messed it up sometimes. He just came up to me, he explained to me again and again, and everything just happened better every time. He's an amazing director, and he made me, play the character properly, even when I was nervous. And I think the entire team, the directorial team, the other members of our team, the technicians, they all helped me so much. Even the little phrases of Tamil, the language, along with the exclamatory and a lot more. I learned so much from our team, and I learned so much about being comfortable, even when you're nervous. Being comfortable and just go for it. Yeah.
So you said that you just grew up watching Bollywood films, right? So ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर स्पेसिफिक जो आपको अगर बॉलीवुड में चांस मिले तो वो कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है?
Okay, well, there are so many characters, but I think I want to do more of characters. Those have depth, and people will remember the characters. As I told you, I want to do more of performance-driven roles. Like, of course, who doesn't love the character and characters like who doesn't love Bebo? Of course, like Pooh. Uh, Characters always bring an impact to the audiences, and I want to do more of different characters, not just one kind of character. I want to step out of my comfort zone, out of my own character. I want to play characters where I won't be able to relate anything with myself. Something where I'll learn so much.
Because Bollywood is something, it's a lot of politics, casting couch. How would you take up that?
Well, having a lot of artist friends that I have, I think it's everywhere, the casting couch thing. But for me, I'm thankful I haven't faced anything forceful yet. But I've heard, so I wouldn't disagree. I've heard, and it truly happens. But for me, it didn't happen yet, and I don't think it should happen with anyone, because it's very depressing to hear how things happen sometimes. But it also depends with the kind of team, the kind of directors and the producers you choose to work with, because it's all about the people you work with and your team. Like I told you, Kadar Kadai Solava, the team of our film, incredible. The director, the producer, everyone. Back camera, everyone were incredible. They helped me so much with everything. I felt so cared by my team. So it depends on the director and the captain of the team and the producer's vision, how they want to, react on every point. And let's see what happens. I think I do want to explore more and I do want to introduce myself, because when you're stepping out of your city and when you want to explore more industries, you have to step out of your comfort zone and go, and at least, at least you have to want to introduce yourself, that who you are. So I eagerly want to do that.
Thank you so much, Ritika. It was lovely chatting with you.
Thank you, same here.